Good morning. It's currently 4:23 a.m. and Skippy decided it's been way too long since we've had a road trip. So, the only downside to that, the weather app says it's currently only 7 degrees outside. That's freezing. So, let's get the car packed so we can start this 5-hour road trip. There might be 1 or 2 interesting stops along the way, but we'll tell you more about that once we get going. Let's go! We just pulled up here at a fuel station. It is still super cold. It's only like 2 degrees outside. So if you're from South Africa, you remember the famous ad, Wimpy, Salaka breakfast. So we're gonna eat a breakfast and then continue on our journey.
Our tummies is full, thank you to Wimpy. So my plan for this weekend is to tick something off our bucket list. But before we get in there, we will be passing some awesome little towns we haven't been to in many years. So stay till the end to see our accommodation and you might get a hint of what adventure awaits us. So we took the N3 towards Warden and then we took the off-ramp at Warden going to Bethlehem. This road from the N3 towards Bethlehem is horrible. There's a board saying danger ANC potholes. So this is going to be the longest 60 kilometers and it looks like we are drunk drivers just dodging the potholes.
That is so cool. That's not something you can see in the city. Our first fun stop for this trip is about 10 kilometers from Clarens. It's the Lesotho Highlands Water Project, where Lesotho feeds South Africa with fresh water. And how amazing is this? If you listen closely, you can hear the water coming out of the tunnel. It's pretty insane. The total length of all the tunnels combined is 45 kilometers and it's 4.5 meters high. Just look at the scale of that with Skippy standing in the middle of it.
And welcome to Clarens. Clarens is a small town situated at the foothill of the Maluti Mountains in the Free State. It also has a nickname of the Jewel of the Eastern Free State province in South Africa. Clarens is a perfect small town you can visit during summer and winter, but damn, it gets cold here. It's super busy but so worth visiting. Check out this beautiful church behind me. the purple onion, gold mine, best snacks and the most beautiful gallery. Grab yourself some local snacks and have a picnic in this park in the middle of town.
This place is really awesome. We just finished our quick lunch at Clarens. I think the most beautiful part of this road is still yet to come. So we'll show you this and then on to our accommodation. And welcome to Golden Gate. This is definitely one of the most scenic routes you can do. And entrance is free. Just look at this view. Time to continue the journey. Welcome to Witsieshoek. You can see behind me the views are absolutely endless. Just for your information, the road through Putrichaba on the way here is not in great condition, but as soon as you pass through that, a paved road starts, which is in excellent condition. And then there's a gate you enter to come to Witsieshoek. We have to pay a conservation fee of 70 Rand per person, and that is cash only because of the signal restrictions here. Let's show you this awesome place. Guys, we just arrived at our accommodation. Skippy, give us the tour.
So we booked Sentinel room. Let's show you. A bathroom with a shower, double bed and an amazing view.
How insane is this view? You can see Sentinel Peak. That one over there. This is awesome. So Witsieshoek has 3 different types of accommodation. There's backpackers, and then these houses here behind me, and then the Sentinel ones where we are staying there on the corner. So yeah, there's definitely something that will fit your budget.
So we booked directly on Witsieshoek's website. It costs us 6,360 Rand for dinner, bed and breakfast for 2 nights. I know it's a lot of money for some people, but we did it just to relax more and spend time together. So they also have a bar on the premises, which you can get pre-drinks before your dinner. Dinner is in 2 sessions, so you can choose which session you would like to attend.
So for those of you not familiar with the Drakensberg, this section here is called the amphitheater, which is a lot more visible in its glory from the south. And this peak over here is Sentinel Peak, and then right in the middle here somewhere is the Tugela Falls. So yeah, awesome views. What an awesome sunset to see. We spent the afternoon just walking around the Witsieshoek, exploring the place. Chilled here on our little stoepie. Had some snacks we bought from Clarens. And we're just gonna sit here, enjoy the sunset and wait for our spot for dinner. So we'll see you over there. So we just came back from our dinner, which was a bit disappointing. The food was good, but the service was atrocious. I think there might be a bit understaffed. The planning for the 2 sessions for dinners doesn't really work that well. People were sitting late, we had to wait like 2 hours to get our food. But yeah, such is life, things like that happen. But yeah, if you didn't catch the hint to what the big surprise bucket list item is, you're gonna have to subscribe and wait for the next video. But thank you for road tripping with us on this one, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!